Have you visited the K-5 Mathematics Curriculum webpage recently? This iMovie is intended to help you navigate through the various pages. We hope that you will take advantage of using this resource, which has been created for K-5 teachers who teach math. The K-12 Mathematics website is found on the intranet as part of the Curriculum Instruction and Assessment website. Each grade level and subject area has its own tab. Let's go to the home page first to see what's there. The first thing you will see on the home page is a link to the Common Core Mathematics website. We also found the Darke School District Progressions document very helpful when we first began, although since that time we have developed our own ICANN statements. You may want to take a peek at the document as they give some examples of what the standards might look like for students, and then novice, emerging, and mastery assessment statements. The second box contains posters for the mathematical practice standards. There's even one for early childhood. These posters are children-friendly. Note that the middle school and high school post similar sets of posters in all their math classrooms. Also on the home page, you will find a link to a variety of websites which contain more learning tools about the standards themselves. Finally, on the left-hand side, you will find a variety of links to school district websites where you can find some very useful things shared by others. We have added these links and hope to have the K-5 Math Committee go through them more carefully in the future to dig out what's really good. But in the meantime, you might find something useful for your grade level. A committee of K-5 teachers reviewed many free and paid websites and recommend that teachers use these websites as part of the Math Universal Curriculum. Continue to monitor this box on the website, as when new websites are determined relevant, they will be added. Paid subscription websites will also be added here. In the right-hand column, you will find links to some incredible websites that have activities by standard for each grade level. Right under these activity sites, you will find a box with links to sites that have some online manipulatives that you might find helpful. Let's move on and take a look at what you will find on the elementary math homepage. The first thing you will see are the K-5 mathematics commitments. It is important you know what the commitments are and what should be helping guide your instruction. Please note the commitment about fluency. During the 2013-14 school year, we discontinued the timed math facts assessments. Keep in mind, however, fluency is still very important, but it's just that you should not be assessing it using timed assessments. Underneath the commitments, you will find the algorithm statement. Staff members should be following when the standard algorithm should be introduced. Family-friendly versions of the statements have also been created. These should be shared as appropriate with families. Back-to-school nights and conferences may be good times to consider using these documents. Using ICANN statements from a variety of sources, the district now has one set of K-5 ICANN statements that are truly aligned to the Common Core. The ICANN statements are listed with the standards. They appear in both PDF and Word versions. The Word version is for staff members who would like to take out the standards or make them look different. You will also find the ICANN statements without the standards in larger format in case staff members would like to use them in a different format with students. Both sets of standards are in the newest version of Word and the others in the old version. The K-5 Math Committee decided rather than to have grade level tabs, they wanted the standards as tab headers and the grade levels underneath, a progression as you will. If you hold your mouse over the tab, you will see the drop-down tabs. Let's take a look at what you find on each page, as all of them are set up consistently. Of course, you will find the standards along with the ICANN statements for learning objectives. You will also find key vocabulary. If you see words that are bolded for your grade level, these are the words students should be expected to master by the end of that grade level. All other words are words that can be introduced and developed for that standard area. These key vocabulary words come from Robert Marzano's new book on the vocabulary for the Common Core. In the right column, you will find suggested activities and resources. Thanks to Julie Bormat, Math Resource at Glacier Edge, and Sue Cook, grade 4-5 teacher at Stoner Prairie, who worked with several grade level reps during the summer, here is a repository of some great activities and resources for teachers to use. Notice that specific chapters in investigation are listed, as well as Advantage resources. If you have not yet had the chance to participate in the AVMR courses, we encourage all K-5 math teachers to participate in this training. Those who have taken the course all agree how valuable it has been for them. Please note, this is a work in progress and not all areas may be completed when you log in, but continue to check back. Links to good electronic versions of resources have also been provided. Apps galore along with short video clips are also provided for easy access. One last box, currently not populated, is the assessment box. It is our hope to have some common assessments developed for each standard area for each grade level. As the district moves further along with personalized learning, these common assessments will be a good check on the learning of our students. Well, that, my friends, is the Mathematics Curriculum website. If you have resources to share, be sure to get them to the Director of Instruction. We want to continue to make this resource one of value for all K-5 math teachers.